Hello everyone, my name is Star, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to loosen or tighten the throttle gimbal on your receiver. So I'm using the FlySky FSI6, and it's really easy to loosen or tighten the gimbal, throttle gimbal. And the reason why I want to do this is because sometimes when you're pitched forward, and when you throttle up, sometimes you get a bit of yaw, and so it disorients the quad and you sometimes. And so if you tighten the throttle, then it makes the throttle independent from the yaw. So what you want to do is flip your transmitter over, and you want to remove all four of the screws that hold the back panel to the front panel. After doing that, you want to remove the back panel, and there should be at least one wire that's plugged into your front panel, and you can go ahead and remove that as long as you remember where it's plugged in. So here, one thing that I noticed right when I opened it up was this metal bar right here. Now this metal bar is held by two screws, and those screws, whether they're tightened or loosened, define the friction between the throttle and the bar. So let's say if I wanted to loosen it, then I could put my screwdriver in both the screws and I can loosen it. After doing that, if I flip it over, I can see that it's a bit too loose. Even gravity is affecting it. So I can go ahead back here and tighten it the way I want. Thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, or if you have a video idea for me to do, then leave that in the comment section too.